Right, I'm just going to go through how we're going to approach doing our artist research, and I've tried to make it sort of as simple as possible. Okay, so what I've done is I've designed the sheet for you. So in this column here, you've got information about the artist that we're looking at, which at the minute is Tina Tavolacci. And then here, I've given you sentence starters for what you need to write about her. Okay, so you're taking this information from here and putting it into sentences here. Okay, and I've also, to help you along with that, I've gave you a list of keywords over this side, and I've also explained what they mean, so to help you along with filling it in. Okay, so I'm going to do maybe 2 boxes as an example, and then I'm going to leave it for you to get on with on your own. Okay, so Tina Tavolacci is, so I can read over here, Tina Tavolacci is an artist from Michigan in the USA. She's a contemporary artist. Over here I can find out that the word contemporary means that an artist that's working now, so she's alive, living, producing work today. She's also a jeweller, and she works as a craftsperson. As well as making art, she also teaches it every day to middle school students. Okay, so I can put here that Tina Tavolacci is an artist. I'm going to use a pencil actually rather than this pen, just because I think that's going to make a mess. So I'm going to say contemporary, because I've just learned what that means. Artist. She is from Michigan in the USA. So as well as making art, she also teaches. She makes jewellery, we've learned. And she's a craftsperson. Okay, so that's my first box done. All right, so I've learned all that using these 2 boxes. So it'll be the same with materials, it'll be the same with influences, your information's there, any keywords that you might not understand are over at that side. It gets a little bit more difficult when we come down towards the bottom of the sheet, because this is where you've got to give your opinions. Okay, so it says, why do you think she's inspired by nature? So again, you've got your sentence starter there. So I think Tina Tavolacci is inspired by nature because, so this has got to come from you, but I have again give you a few keywords to help you along with this. So we've got beauty, which is about how nature looks to her. We've got location, because nature's all around us. We've got recycling, to save the planet. And we've also got that she's a jeweller. Okay, so I think Tina Tavolacci is inspired by nature because she finds it beautiful. And it's all around us. Then the next question asks, I think she reuses old paper and books because, so why do you think she uses old papers and books? And I'm going to go with recycling. So I'm going to say, I think she uses old paper and books because she wants to use recycled materials to link, and I'm going to go over it in the other box here, it doesn't matter, to link to her love of nature as she wants to protect the planet. Okay, and then I think she includes copper cogs in her drawings and paintings because she is a jewellery maker. And she uses copper. In her crafts. Okay, so you can see how I've used each one of those things to answer those questions. All right, so again, it's going to be the same with the one at the bottom. This asks you about the formal elements. It gives you keywords to help you describe those formal elements there. So you've just got to put them in the right places, adding in a bit of your own opinion. Okay, but I think that's enough of a demonstration from me. You just need to go in and fill in the rest of your sheet. Okay, well done, and off you go.